Hi flower friends, it's Sarah with Main Street Florist. Today we're going to do a quick arrangement using acacia foliage. I've also got sunflowers and they're going to be at varying stages. So some might be really open and some might be a little bit more tight. Give them a few days, they'll all be open beautifully. We're also going to work with Dianthus, which is in the carnation family, and these are called solomio, one of our faves. Acacia is a shrub that is native to Australia and Africa. Often we get it in the shop and it has beautiful little yellow blooms on it, but this time around it is just the foliage. I'm taking the larger branches and cutting off the laterals. I'm making sure to remove any of the foliage that might be below the water line. And then I'm crisscrossing my stems as I place it in the vase. By doing this, we're creating a nice grid that our flowers will be held in place with. And this foliage really fills out the vase. I love its feathery texture and it's got a nice scent to it as well. Next, we're going to start arranging our sunflowers. So these are a petite sunflower. They're a really nice size for arranging at home. Often if we get larger sunflowers in the shop, we have to wire them because their heads are so heavy. These are just perfect for DIY arrangements. Sunflowers were originally cultivated in North America and used for food, medicine, dye, and oil. Each sunflower head is made up of thousands of tiny individual flowers. I distributed my sunflowers evenly throughout the arrangement, and now I'm going into the holes and placing in the dianthus. Even if you don't love carnations, I'm convinced if you work with the solomio or this variation of dianthus, you might have a different opinion. As a florist, I just respect that they're one of the oldest known cut flowers, and they come in so many color options. Now that all our flowers are placed, there's just a little bit of perfecting and zhuzhing to do. I did notice that some of the foliage got pushed down into my water as I was arranging. So I'm taking out the whole bouquet and removing any of that foliage that might be in the water. That foliage can cause bacteria to grow, which is going to shorten the vase life of any of your stems of flowers. Now would be a great time to refresh that water and add your flower food in. Happy arranging, flower lovers! Thanks for joining us.